The fact is, the world has changed dramatically because of ChatGPT and things like that. The tools, the resources, they're just, it's game changing. We put a bunch of analysts and a bunch of law enforcement people all in a virtual room, if you will, and had them analyzing claims data in real time before it got paid. So we were, instead of paying and chasing, which has been the old way of doing it, we were actually doing prevent and detect. So we'd figure out like that, there was a lab that was billing at 6 times the normal rate in Chicago, or that we had this ever growing number of hospices in Los Angeles, or many other different things. And then what we started to do was take aggressive action against those, not after the payment, but before the payment. And as a result, since we launched it March 31st of last year until yesterday, we've stopped over $2.5 billion from going out the door. And we only look at like 5 to 7 providers a week. It's a very small number because it's very time intensive to do this, but these are the worst actors. And what I love is we're using artificial intelligence, machine learning, new tools to do that. A lot of people have a lot of ideas and a lot of people have new approaches to doing this. And every single person who came in to want to meet with me said, I can save you $2 billion. We decided to put the money where their mouth was, so to speak, and have a competition. We had over 200 people participate. We ended up with the top 10. And of those, 5 of them are working with us on various pilot projects that are ways, new, different approaches to do this. And that's what we wanted to do.